By October of 2023, I had lost a lot of money in the market. I learned a lot of really good stuff. Some stuff I actually put into execution, some things I did not. In the long run, I was not making money. But then I had a mind shift, a complete mind shift. All those things that I had learned of what to do were finally kicking in. You're about to see the three things that have made me successful and given me a 98.2% win rate since October 23rd of 2023. Stand by. As you know, I am not a financial advisor. None of the information on this channel is meant to be financial advice. You need to please do your own research. I am only a boring old guy sharing my experiences and what I'm doing in the market. No fancy video today, no fancy graphics up on the screen, just me talking to you. This is something that people have been asking about my trading and what I'm doing. And so I figured I might start a series on trading. But in order to do that, I need to really tell you some things that will make you successful. And these are not patterns. These are not entry points. These are not all the super guru things that people are selling out there. You're getting this for free on YouTube. It took me a long time to figure these three things out. But you know what? I've been on a roll. So let me show you this. I'm going to show you this Excel spreadsheet, and actually it is a Google sheet. The link to this Google sheet is going to be in my in the description. So this is every trade that I have done since October 23rd, 2023. This is everything. There's only 2 losses in this entire thing, and you can actually go and look at the exact entry times, my prices, how much I put in, how much I made. My first trade was, how much money did I make? I made, it was $6.05 was my very first trade on my new trading plan. But there's 3 things that have made me successful in this trading plan. By the way, go down into the description, click on that link. You can go look at that spreadsheet all you want. Go for it. Have fun. Analyze the snot out of it. Leave me some comments. Would love to hear them. So there are 3 things, and I got them on my notepad here, so I make sure that I get them right. The first one is patience. FOMO grabs everybody, and the only way that you can beat FOMO is by having great patience. Let the market come to you. I will sit and watch the market all morning long, and I will wait, and I will wait, and I will wait, and it is very painful. It is very painful because you're sitting there, and you want to click, you want to get into a trade because you know it's going to take off. You know you're going to miss it. You're going to miss it. You're not going to miss it. There's always going to be another trade. There's always going to be one. Great example of that is a trade that I did today on AMD. Well, actually, I was going to go on to AMD because yesterday AMD went up 25%. It was awesome. I didn't get into that because I was doing something else. So I figured I would do AMD today. And I didn't. I watched it. It took off. If you go and look at the charts from October the 6th, 2025, you will see that it took off the 6th and the 7th. And the trade I actually got into was HIMS, and it did the exact same thing. It took off. But I didn't chase it. I was patient, and I waited. I waited to come to me. If you cannot be patient in the market, you're going to lose money. Flat out. You need to be patient. I don't care what you're doing. You need to be patient. Let things come to you. You're going to lose more money when you want to just jump in, and you're afraid you're going to miss it. And I can tell you, you look at my Robinhood account. It goes like this, goes up a little bit, and then it goes straight down. And it's flat, and now it's coming back up. But absolutely crazy. You got to be patient. You must be patient in the market. Number 2, keep it simple. Seriously, keep it simple. I only use 2 indicators when I'm trading. Actually, there's another video if you go into trading. You can look at that video from about a year ago. I only use two indicators. I use the 9 EMA. That's the exponential moving average, because it's a little bit more accurate than just the simple moving average. And I use the RSI. Those are the only things that I use. I don't look at the news. I don't look at the financials. I don't look at what's going on in the rest of the market, what could be affecting this stock. I keep it simple. I get to know the patterns. I watch the music. I watch the movements, and I get to know the stocks that I'm trading. I have very limited watch list. My watch list is 10 securities. That's it. 10. I move them in and out. There's some people that need to go to timeout, and I'm not going to trade them for a while. But I only have 10. I keep it simple. I don't want to be bouncing all over the market and trying to find the next best thing. What's going to make me a bazillion dollars today because it's going to go up 65%. That's not what I'm here for. I keep it simple. And I patiently watch them. And I watch and I learn their patterns. I learn what the market's doing. So that way I can really see the movement and, okay, this is what should be happening. This is what I think is going to happen. Because you cannot predict the market. You need to let it come to you. You just need to watch it. Keep it simple. Don't fill your screen with 1,000 things. Bollinger Band. I got the 50 and the 80 SMA. I've got the RSA. I got volume. I've got all this stuff in here. It's going to tell me exactly what I need to do. I'm going to make $1 billion trading. Nah. Keep it simple. Keep it absolutely simple. Get to learn what's going on in the market. Be patient and just watch. Just sit and watch before you get in. The last one, which is one I learned recently, and it just made so much sense. And when you sit and you watch the market and you watch what's going on, especially in the morning, you watch what's going on, this will make perfect sense to you. And what that is you really need to shift your mindset, because you can't trade like an investor. You can't trade like a day trader. You can't trade like an individual, because there are greater forces out there than you. Much greater forces. And that's the institutions. Those are the big traders, the big companies. That's AI. That's the algorithms. They're way smarter than you could ever be. So what you need to do is you need to think like them. You need to watch them and see what they're doing. My number one pattern that I use, and I use this all the time, is following the institutions. Tomorrow morning, when the market opens, before the market opens, I want you to go in. I want you to look. Find your favorite stocks and see what's going on. Find one where it is really high above where it closed the day before. That is the institutions and the algorithms running that price up. They're running that price, and they're sucking everybody in. Everybody who's not patient, who's foaming at the mouth to get in that stock, waiting for 9:30 when the market opens. They're not patient. They got to get into it because this thing's taking off and I'm going to miss it. It's the institutions are running those prices up. When the market opens, it keeps going. It just takes off. That is the institutions running the price up. Be patient, because you know what's about to happen? They're about to sell. And when they sell, that price dives. And that's, if you hadn't been patient, you're going to see all your money just go away. You have to sit and wait. Because it's the institutions and the algorithms that run the market. It's not you and I. It's not us. We can't affect the market. My trading account right now is like $8,000. It's $9,000 now. That $9,000 is not going to move the market. It may tell the algorithm, hey, we need to dump the price. This is the little people are getting in. Let's take their money. Think like the institution. Watch the market. Be patient. What is your watch list doing? Keep it simple. Certain stocks that are moving. Think like the institutions. If they're going to make a big move, watch for that big move to go and then ride it. Keep it simple. Just follow them. My additional one little bonus one, I'm going to give you a bonus one. I should have told you at the beginning, the bonus one. When you go through all of my trades that are on that Google sheet, when you go through it, you will see that my gains they're small. They're like 1 to 2%. I got a couple higher ones in there that are almost 3%. I think I got a 110% in there. It was a lucky Tesla trade. All of my trades, I get at a 1% minimum. And a lot of times at that 1%, I get out. You know why? Because the institutions are doing the exact same thing. When you've got all those people using millions and millions of dollars, when they're doing a trade, they're happy with 1%. Because what's 1% of $1 million? What's 1% of $100 million? It's $1 million. 1% of $100 million is $1 million. They don't care about the big winners getting 25%, getting 60%. I'm going to retire tomorrow. No. The institutions are getting those small amounts. So get the small amounts and compound it. Compound it over and over and over again. Like I said, I have 114 trades on my sheet. I've gotten 2 bad ones. One was just a stupid trade and I should have gotten out. I didn't follow my rules, my simple rules. I didn't follow them. So I lost money on that one. And the second one I probably could have held on to and made money eventually, but I didn't. I closed it. So follow those 3 simple rules. It's simple. That's number 2. Follow these rules. Number 1, just be patient in the market. Number 2, keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Limit your watch list. Get to know your stocks. And start thinking like the institutions. Watch the market tomorrow morning and you'll see what I'm talking about. Watch the market every day and think about the institutions in the back of your head. They're only going to grab 1%. And when they grab that 1%, you're waiting for 25. Market's going to drop and you're not going to make any money. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe. Trying to keep the content valuable. I just felt I needed to do a good trading video since I'm trying to trade almost every day. Check out the spreadsheet. Thank you so much for watching, and be safe out there. Be patient. Let the market come to you. Bye.